Yo, this is Big Mo's track. We on this. I mean, you got this nigga Jay Young and Big Mo. Motherfucking likes Lauren Tom Shaw. She's sucking this nigga Jay Tip.
Tomewhat Records. Get familiar.
Don't listen to that shit. That shit's fake.
Hey yo, get these out, yo. Support my boy Von Dutch. You know what it is.
He doesn't even know motherfucking Von Dutch. I can't even spell motherfucking Von Dutch.
Go
buy me a Dutch, bitch. I'm doing this shit for you.
Alright,
am I getting paid?
Bro, we getting paid, we getting laid, we do whatever it takes.
We're getting paid. We're getting laid. You're doing the track.
Hey yo, you already know K-Town's finest 11845.
It's 119. It's 19.
1-1. This ain't X11, nigga.
He said 1-1.
Where you from, nigga?
It's K-Town's 1-1.
This ain't Mexico, nigga. This ain't exit Mexico, nigga. This is
first border, Mexico.
This ain't red, white, and green, nigga.
1-1.
This is red, white, and blue, nigga.
Oh, one blue. Get this thing going.
This nigga pulls out his family Christ stone.
Sign this up, dude.
Alright, come on, put the beat on, bro. We're gonna get Corey in the booth, man. We're gonna put this shit on MySpace, man. Smack.
Booth, just the booth, son. Yeah, bitches.
Garbage bags full of that green cheaper. You wanna lay low, get your pop like a roll. Every hoe wanna roll like a dough. You wanna talk slick, well, niggas wanna clip well. I shoot a nigga where I throw him in the ditch 12. Ain't no tears though, I'm on the camera. It's a smack DVD, you can smack with your pampers. You don't wanna talk, nigga, talk to your grammar. And I got a Uzi nigga shooting like a camera. And I got it all poppin'. I got it pop like dropping, body rockin' this. You say nah, stop it. Yeah, they call me J-10 75 Heavy Street. I got a gun, nigga, shooting niggas every week. It's like a body scene, niggas spitting on the cell phone. Give a fuck rap shit bad for my health. You wanna live though, you ain't gonna live at all. When I'm getting some money, the cheddar gonna split it all. You don't like this nigga, I'm too grinding. Then I put with the iron. I got the coupe ceiling windows with the shining. You see that young and tears like why? I got a bitch on my dick, she's whining, she's grinding, and I'm spitting on myself.
Hey yo, yo, let me get on this shit. Now when you get at me, you ask for one more chance. I'm the new hot thing like the new chicken noodle soup dance. Cause you know we grinding, smoke some of that shit, we flying. Can you pull out the guns, you dying. Now I'm not lying, but it's the truth. I know it hurts right now, I'm in the booth. Now this is shit, we the homeboys, we just got new toys. We pull out gas and guns, niggas, we do this shit for fun. Now I'm done, that's my fame, now take it away, Corey James.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we grinding, bitches. It's something hot, Henry Street. Yeah, here we go. Off the top of the head, man, I'm just coming at you something hard. I mean, I don't say nothing, but I punch you and you get scarred. Blood drips the drop, and you know it's hit the hop. All I gotta do is say hit you with that Glock. It's nothing, man. I spit something hard every day. I talk shit, but niggas don't listen every way. I can speak in many different ways, but I don't talk the money. I just hop the haze. I mean, we smoking something. It ain't nothing hot, but it's something that to make it. Like.